Mishnah Daled. So he finished with the bull, his bull. Heviu lo taseir. Now he comes to the goat.
So the seir is really early in the morning, actually. This is
Right after the bull. Right after the bull.
Yeah, we finished the bull.
נא הביאו לו את השעיר. לאחר שהניח הכהן הגדול את מזרק הדם על הקן זהב שבהיכל, so after he places the vessel with blood on, we're going to see what, it was actually needed for something else. So we're going to see later on for what? This blood. So the bull blood is in the heichal now. It's in the room. יצא לעזרה. He goes out back to the עזרה. And then not in the same place, the place where the shechted, the seir, somebody brings to him, שם הביאו לו את השעיר שעלה עליו הגורל להשם. They bring him, it wasn't shechted yet, sorry. They bring to him the goat that was going to go to God. שחטו, he slaughters it right then and then, וקיבל מהמזרק את דמו. And he takes the cup, another golden cup, and he takes the blood of the bull, of the goat in the cup. And then, what does he do? נכנס למקום שנכנס. He goes back to the same place he was from before. לקודש הקודשים, to the Holy of Holies. ועמד במקום שעמד, he stands in exactly the same place, בין הבתים. והיזה ממנו מדם השעיר, and he does the same thing he did with the bull, he does with the goat. אחת למעלה ושבע למטה, one up and seven down. ולא היה מתכוון לעזות לא למעלה ולא למטה, not, he didn't sprinkle on the ark itself, אלא כמצליף, against the ark. כמו שביארנו המשנה הקודמת במפר, exactly the same thing he did with the bull, he does with the goat. וכך היה מונה, and this is how he used to count, אחת, one, אחת ואחת, one and one, one and two, and so on. הכל כמעשהו בדם הפר, exactly the same as he did with the bull, with the blood of the bull. כמו שנאמר, how do we know it's exactly the same? Because it says, ושחט את שעיר החטאת אשר לעם, then he's going to slaughter the goat, the sin goat, that belongs to the nation, והביא את דמו אל מבית לפרוכת, he's going to bring his blood into the Holy of Holies, ועשה את דמו, and he did his blood, כאשר עשה לדם הפר, exactly like he did to the blood of the bull, והיזה אותו על הכפורת ולפני הכפורת, he did it on the covering and before the covering. So that's also finished. By the way, in Hasidus, just imagine what's happening over here. We know a little bit now. Bull represents the nefesh behamit, the animal soul. So this is what he's slaughtering. He says, the sin of you guys, because you went with your animal soul, we're going to slaughter, and we're going to bring this animal soul up to God. And there's a bull, there's a goat, yeah? It's the different kind of animal soul. The bull is for taiva. That's what it is, desires. Okay. The goat just wants to make trouble. It's not even because he wants, he didn't even desire to do it. It was fun, let's go, have fun. Do you really want to? I don't really care, but I'm going to join the just to make balagan. So everybody sometimes says a word because he knows this word is going to cause balagan. You ask him, you really want balagan? No, but I need some action. This is the goat. That's the goat thing. So this is what he's bringing in. Just in Hasidus, everything has a meaning. So after he goes from the Seir, יצא מקודש הקודשים, he goes out from the Holy of Holies, והניחו את המזרק עם דם השעיר, and he's going to place the cup with the blood of the goat על קן השני שהיה בהיכל. There was another stand in the heichal, and he places it over there. שהיו שם שני קנים, because there were two stands. על האחד הרי מניח את דם הפר. On the first of them he used to put the blood of the bull, כמו ששנינו במשנה הקודמת, like we said in the previous Mishnah, ועכשיו בא והניח על האחר את דם השעיר. And now he's going to put the other one, on the other stand, the blood of the goat. רבי יהודה אומר, רבי יהודה disagrees, לא היה שם אלא כאן אחד בלבד. He says, you don't need two. It's enough, one stand. שעליו הניח בתחילה את דם הפר. On it, in the beginning, he put the blood of the bull, וכשיצא עם המזרק, עם שדה הסין, נטל הדם הפר מעל אותו כאן, והניח דם השעיר עליו. He says, then he took the blood off, and he puts the other one on. Okay. כך מבארים המפרשים על פי הגמרא, this is what the Gemara says, שהפסקה נטל דם הפר, because when it says he took the blood of the bull, he סיום דברי רבי יהודה. This is according to רבי יהודה. ברם, לדעת תנא קמא, according to our Mishnah though, הניח תחילה את דם השעיר על הקן השני, he first puts the blood of the goat on the second stand, ואחר כך נטל דם הפר, and after that he takes the blood of the bull. Okay, whatever. והיזה ממנו, and then he takes, again, now he's got the bull. So he takes the bull, ויזע ממנו מדם הפר על הפרוכת שכנגד הארון מבחוץ. So now he's standing on the outside of the Holy of Holies against the curtains. And he's going to do the same thing now, not on the curtains, but against the curtains. Yeah. היינו, בהיכל כנגד מקום הארון שבקודש הקודשים. In the היכל, opposite the ark that is in the Holy of Holies. אחת למעלה ושבע למטה. One up and 7 down, ולא היה מתכוון לעשות, לא למעלה ולא למעלה, אלא מקץ. If it wasn't on the curtains, it was on the floor next to it. Yeah. And just by the way, because since we learn in Chassidus, so a little bit, why do you need to do it again if you did it in the Holy of Holies? Why do you need to do it again? So sometimes every Jew did kapara. On Yom Kippur, we're all good boys. Our inner says we want to be with God, and we are a good boy inside. But when it comes afterwards to our actions, to our outside behavior, the other outside behavior, in the inner we want to be good, but it's not good. So that's why he takes it to the outside of the Holy of Holies to say it shouldn't be just be a good Jew on the inside. It should be in your actions, in your thoughts, in your emotions, everywhere. It's not enough just over there.
Inside.
Yeah. אחת למעלה ושבע למטה ולא היה מתכוון. So, like we said, he did 1 up, 7 down, ולא היה מתכוון לעשות לא למעלה ולא למטה, אלא כמצליף. He didn't mean to do it against the curtains, but it was like מצליף. וכך היה מונה, and this is how he used to count. אחת, אחת ואחת, אחת ושתיים, just like the same before, exactly the same process. נטל דם הזעיר. Now he exchanges. So this is with the bull against the curtains. נטל דם השעיר והניח דם הפר. Now he's going to take the blood of the goat. And he puts aside again the blood of the bull. היינו לדעת רבי יהודה שלא היה שם אלא כאן אחד. According to Rabbi Yehuda, there was only one stand. נטל תחילה מעל הכאן את דם השעיר. First he takes the blood of the goat, ואחר כך הניח על אותו כאן את דם הפר שהיה בידו. He needed to exchange them. But it doesn't matter. 2 or 1, same thing. אבל לדעת חכמים שהיו שם שני קנים, but according to us, that we say that there were 2 stands over there, הניח תחילה את דם הפר, ואחר כך נטל את דם השעיר. First he puts the blood of the bull, and then he takes the blood of the goat. ויש מפרשים משנתנו דעתו, who explains our Mishnah, אף לדעת חכמים, even according to the sages. ברבילה והניח, and when it says, and he put it down, וכבר הניח, כלומר שנטל דם השעיר, it means that he took the blood of the goat, לאחר שהניח כבר את דם הפר, after he already put the blood of the goat, of the bull. וכן אפשר לפרש גם ברישא. This is also, if you want to explain it in the beginning of the Mishnah, you can learn it the same way. נטל דם הפר, he take the blood of the bull in the beginning, and then הניח את דם השעיר. נטל דם הפר, לאחר שהניח דם השעיר על כאן השני. In other words, it's not in order. First he put the שעיר, and then he takes the blood. Yeah, but whatever it is, we're good. ויזע ממנו מדם השעיר. And then whatever he did with the bull, he's going to do with the goat. על הפרוכת שכנגד הארון מבחוץ. He did it on the פרוכת, on the curtains, on the outside of the holies of holies. כמו שיזע מדם הפר. אחת למטה ושבע למטה. 1 up, 7 down. שנאמר, וכן יעשה לאוהל מועד. Because it says, and this should be done to the meeting tent. ודרשו, and the sages learned, כשם שזה, שם הזה לפני ולפנים, which is just like he does in the holy of holies, כך מה זה בהיכל. He does the same thing in the היכל. מה לפני לפנים אחת למעלה ושבע למטה, just what in the holies of holies he does 1 up and 7 down, מדם הפר ואחד למעלה ו7 דם השעיר. He does both the bull and the goat. Also outside he should do both the bull and the goat. Now he's going to do something else. Now he's going to mix the 2 bloods. ירא דם הפר לתוך דם השעיר. He's going to take the blood of the bull and pour it into the blood of the goat. שנאמר, ולקח מדם הפר ומדם השעיר. Because it says, and he should take from the blood of the bull and from the blood of the goat. So he needs to mix them together. היינו, מדם שניהם יחדיו. He has to take from the blood of both of them together. ונתן את המלא בריקן. And then he's going to mix it from cup to cup, so it will mix well. He pours the blood of the yeah, so they mixed very well. וחזר ויראה את כל הדם מעורב בין המזרק של דם השעיר, המלא לתוך המזרק של דם הפר הריקן, כדי שיתערבו הדמים יפה. So now he mixes them very, very, very well. So that they're going to be mixed. And now we're going to see.
It's strange because the blood of the seir blood, is somebody mixing it? Why
No.
it's not going to congeal again?
It's going to congeal, but it doesn't have enough time. It's a little bit. Yeah, you have, it's only enough time.
Because before we go to Kodesh Kodashim,
Yeah, it's quick. 1 and 7. It's not. I mean, I'm sure it starts, but it's only enough time to really becomes hard. Yeah.